Today we are doing a Japanese sidecar, 1 3/4 ounce soju. Y'all know I'm making that 2 ounces because fuck it. Triple sec. What the fuck? Another 3/4 ounce. 1 ounce triple sec. 4 dashes bitters. 1, 2, 3, 4. Half an ounce, half a lemon. Half an ounce, half a lemon. Nice. Too cold to hold. Lemon to do the rim. I'm not going to do the whole rim. I'm just going to do a little bit of the rim because I don't need all that Well, that didn't do shit. You know, it is what it is. A brown sugar rim. We're here for the alcohol, not the rim, so hang it. Add a little dried lemon. Goes beautifully with that brown sugar salted rim, but hey, who cares? We're here to drink. Oh, that's great. Damn, that's good. Happy Friday. Have fun. And maybe do better at your brown sugar rim than me. Thank you. Bye.